Banks 101, we back live, YouTube. So we got our tire ready to get put on. Brand new, boys. So we got it worked on in here, from here to here. Just kind of throw it on, get it on. When you go down here, you're gonna use this to pry. Use your knee like this. And work this right here. So it's gonna get all the way back around. I'll be back in a minute to show you. Alright, y'all, we back. Walked it all the way around. See, we got it on there. It's in there. Alright, so y'all already know what we're gonna do from here. Close it up. What we'll do with this here. See our weight. We get it started around here with its weight at. If I get it started here with its weight at, I don't have to really pry against it too much. See, like that. You can use your knees a little bit. See? You want to get that like that. Go in. Keep that down like that. Probably go from this side. Anyway, let me finish this up, y'all. I'll be right back. Y'all see? We're almost there. Everything good from here, y'all. See? We're gonna show y'all how to get this. We're gonna show y'all how to get this back over this bubble too, so it holds air though too. So just stay tuned. Yeah. Now you just gotta try to use this tire to roll it a bit. Turn it over. Alright, we're gonna finish finessing it in and we're gonna get some air. Banks 101, we'll be back. Alright, Banks 101, we still live, YouTube. So we getting our tire back in our bead. And I did the other side. All the way around. And this one, just put the tire, not on the rim, but the tire down there. Like that. And just bam. That's what you call seated. So I'm gonna put some air in it. See what's up. Let's see, put some air in it. Banks 101, we back live YouTube. As you can see, we got a tire mounted, aired up. So we just gonna swap this one off. We're gonna swap this one off, put this one on, take this one off. Yeah, I said it's about time for it, y'all. Alright, so Banks 101, we just showing you how it's going down. And we got this other new boy to throw on. Once we take, I don't know, we might take that one off the rim, put that one on. I still gotta have a spare, so. Alright, Banks 101, I'm trying to paste it together for you guys.